If you've lost access to your Arvest bank account and cannot use your phone number for recovery, follow these steps to regain access. This guide will help you navigate the recovery process effectively. Step 1. Visit the Arvest Bank website. Go to the official Arvest Bank website. Look for the login section where you can find options for account recovery or assistance. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password or Need Help. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROG to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 3. Choose alternative recovery options. When prompted, select an alternative recovery method. This may include answering security questions, using your email address, or verifying your identity through other means. Step 4. Follow the instructions provided. Carefully follow the instructions provided on the screen. You may need to verify your identity by providing personal information or answering security questions to confirm your identity. Step 5. Create a new password. Once your identity is verified, you will be prompted to create a new password. Choose a strong password that you haven't used before and ensure it meets the security requirements. After completing these steps, you should be able to access your Arvest bank account. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Arvest Bank customer support for further assistance.